Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 28th May 2025. The Income Tax Department has extended the due date to file income tax return for financial year 2024-25 or assessment year 2025-26 from July 31st, 2025 to September 15th, 2025. The decision was made after a delay in issuing the notification of income tax return forms. Further, the Income Tax Department is yet to issue the utilities to file the income tax return. The income tax return filing of July 31st, 2025 applies to most general categories of taxpayers. This includes most salaried employees and also those taxpayers whose accounts are not required to be audited. India is set to become the world's fourth largest economy by the end of 2025, according to the International Monetary Fund's World Economic Outlook report released in April. A few years ago, India overtook the United Kingdom to become the fifth largest and is now well on its way to rise to the fourth spot in the list of the top 10 largest economies in the world by overtaking Japan. In just 11 years, India has surged from world's 10th to 4th largest economy, a remarkable trajectory driven by sustained growth and strategic reforms under the NDA government. However, with the world's largest population, its per capita GDP remains strikingly low at just Rs. $2,880, according to the IMF, far behind China's $13,690 and Japan's $33,960. HDB Financial Services is nearing regulatory approval from SEBI for its IPO, potentially raising $1.5 billion. This listing, a unit of HDFC Bank, could be India's largest IPO for a shadow bank and a significant test for the IPO market. Tata Capital is also planning a substantial IPO, indicating a potential resurgence in India listings. Jio BlackRock Asset Management, a joint venture between Jio Financial Services and BlackRock, on Tuesday announced the receipt of regulatory approval from the Securities and Exchange Board of India to commence operations as an investment manager for their mutual fund business in India. Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail plans a Rs 500 crore capital expenditure in 2025-26, aiming to turn around loss-making ventures like TCNS Clothing and TMRW. With recent fundraising, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail intends to triple in scale and double profitability in 5 years despite current subdued retail sales growth. Excluding TMRW, the group anticipates being EBITDA positive next year. Bengaluru has been ranked among the top 12 global tech powerhouses in real estate consulting firm CBRE's Global Tech Talent Guidebook 2025, which analyzed tech talent across 115 markets worldwide. Among others, the city joins the ranks of San Francisco, New York, London and Tokyo, with its workforce of more than 1 million, making it the largest tech talent hub in the Asia-Pacific region. Bengaluru stood out not only for the size of its talent pool but also for its leadership in artificial intelligence, boasting the highest number of AI professionals in India, comparable to major US clusters. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.